Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to save a Microsoft Word document to PDF. So here I just have a document here. This is just a placeholder text. So to save a Microsoft Word document to PDF, all you need to do is come to File, click Save As, and this dialog box will pop up where it's written File Format here. Just come and click on this drop down arrow and go to where it says PDF. On a Mac, it's under Export Format. So let's just click on that. And I'm going to give it a name. I'll just leave this name that's there. And here it says File Format, PDF. And there are two options that we get here. Best for electronic distribution and accessibility. That's if you're just going to view it on a computer. And if you want to print, you can just highlight. You can just click on this option here to do that. So I'm going to save for electronic distribution. So let me just click export. So the document is being converted right now. All right, now if I go to where I saved this document, as you can see, it's already in PDF. Let me just click it, highlight it. Yes, it's already in PDF. So that's how you save a Microsoft Word document to PDF. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.